Hi guys, and you all are welcome to my channel, That Simple Indian Girl. My name is Pavitra and you all are welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing extremely good, and जहाँ तक मेरी बात है, I am doing extremely good after vaccination. If at all you are not seen my vaccination video, the link for the that I got vaccinated vlog would be put in the description box. Please go down there and check it out. And yes, from the title आपको पता चल गया होगा, it's all about the Amazon haul that I'm gonna be doing today. And yeah, तो इसके पहले भी मैंने एक दो Amazon haul शायद से किया है, तो उसका भी मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी, जाके प्लीज़ चेक कर लीजिएगा. So without further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so back again, I just want to let you know कि ये कोई एक कैटेगरी का नहीं है. It is all over the places. So yeah, so it's not just in one section. So I'll show you what all are the things that I bought it for myself, and if in case you feel like or you're thinking to get these, you have certain ideas before that. So let's get started. So the first thing that I bought for me is this particular Pond's moisturizer with hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. This is how it looks like. I really like it. जबकि इसका review 50-50% मुझे ऐसा मिला था, जहाँ पे some people have liked it, some people have not. And if you are on the drier end, I think आपको ये इतना benefit नहीं करेगा. It's not like 24 hours kind of a moisturizing feeling for you, but it's a mild one. So if you are an oily skin like me, you're gonna like it. It's super light, super light, super light. This is how it looks like. I'm almost finished it, half a thing, and I've bought this twice. I really like it, so I just thought why not to put it into the video. If in case you're planning to get this, you can actually get it. I think this is for ₹2.99, but I bought it in a discounted price. If I get a link for my purchase, I'll surely put it in the description box. You can check that out. It is super 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 light. First of all, मैं ऐसे डाउट कर रही थी कि ये कैसे होगा, बट इट वर्क्स रियली गुड. इट ऑल्सो वर्कड हैज़ अ गुड बेस फॉर माई मेकअप वेन एवर, बिकॉज आई हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग अ मॉइस्चराइजर बिफोर मेकअप. मैं पहले नहीं करती थी, बट राइट नाउ व्हेन आई एम डूइंग इट, इट्स एक्सट्रीमली 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 गुड. दिस इज़ हाउ दिस कंटेनर इज़. So yeah, that's it. If you want me to give a review more, do let me know in the below comment. I'll surely do it for you all. The second Okay, now the second thing that I bought it for me is the pad. Now इसके बारे में मैंने already एक वीडियो बना दिया, इनफैक्ट एक या दो वीडियो बना दिया. Even in my previous Amazon video, I have been told that I really like this pad, and I have made a video on my experience using this. तो इसका भी मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी. एंड अमेज़ॉन का तो ऑलरेडी एक है, तो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड एवरीथिंग इन इट, बट आई एम नॉट शोड द पैड. सो वन ऑफ द girl, I don't know if she's subscribed to my channel. I think she has not. She has actually told me to show the pad size, how it is. I'll do that for you. So yeah, this is into All Night Ultra Dry XL Stay Free Dry Max pad. This is one which I am using currently. So yeah, this is altogether 42 pad, and this is for retailing for ₹450, but इससे भी ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट हो जाता है. So I'll show it to you how it is. Like for me, I bleed a lot. Like I truly bleed so much. Like I can't even explain you कि मेरे को कैसे feel होता है. So I really wanted a kind of a pad that can stay longer. I have made full description on this video, which has got 2.8K view. I'm so happy for it. So if you want to check, you can check that out. I made a kind of a rashes video also on it. If you have a rashes problem, you also can check it out. I'll put the link for that also in the description box. You can do that. So this is super thin. This was actually recommended to me by my friend, by my best friend, because I was just talking to her one day, and मैंने उसको explain किया था कि I really needed your suggestion, and she did help me out with this. So this is super light. जब मैंने इसको ऐसे देखा था, I actually felt it would be nothing, like it won't do even a 1%, but it did a lot. So I'll just open it and I'll show you the length of it. So once you open this up, it's simple, it's plain. This is how it is. So अगर मैं इसको अपने मिडिल फिंगर के यहाँ से भी पकड़ूँ, so this is this long. Can you see it? Like it doesn't touch my elbow, but it's half an inch above it, and this is this long. Like and it's super thin, so you don't even feel like you're actually wearing something, and doesn't have that blue one thing which people like लोग बोलते हैं कि extra observant है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but still it works great. So yeah, I hope you liked it and I hope it was informational. Still अगर आपको ज़्यादा information चाहिए, you can go and check out in the link in the description box जो कि मैंने provide किया, आप उसमें जाके check कर सकते हो. Okay, now let me get back to the third product that I bought for me, and this is a steamer. This is again a kind of a thing that is from the Wonder Vaporizer. Oh my god, this is how this look like. ओके तो अभी इसमें जो है ना, इसमें 3 मार्किंग्स दिया गया हुआ है, इफ़ यू कैन सी दैट 1, 2 and 3. सो यू कैन फिल द वाटर जहाँ तक भी आपको चाहिए, एंड देन यू हैव टू डू नथिंग, यू हैव टू जस्ट प्लग इन एंड वो ऑटोमेटिकली वेपर्स आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. आफ्टर 1 or 2 minutes it will start. One thing which you have to remember with this thing is like कि अगर आप वो बटन ऑफ कर दोगे ना, the steam will stop वर्किंग. सो आपको उसे कंटिन्यूसली ऑन रखना है टिल यू आर कम्फर्टेबल, लाइक टिल आपका जो भी स्टीमिंग का प्रोसेस है कंप्लीट हो जाता है. टिल दैट टाइम यू हैव टू कीप द स्विच ऑन, यू कांट कीप इट ऑफ. ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग, यू कांट पुट विक्स इनसाइड दिस. इसका वो एक इशू है. आई इवन चेकड आउट इन द वीडियो, दे हैव स्ट्रिक्टली टोल्ड दैट यू कुड नॉट पुट इनसाइड इट. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन जस्ट यूज अ कॉटन एंड पुट इट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्पेस एंड देन enjoy your steam with that particular Vicks के स्मेल के साथ. So this is how it is. So आपको कुछ नहीं, यहाँ से इसको ओपन करना है, ढक्कन को फिल करना है, close it and then just plug it inside and your steamer is ready. But more than this, I feel the one जिसका एक कंटेनर यहाँ से भी आता है, अगर मुझे वो पिक्चर मिलेगा तो I'll surely put it over here. I think that would be much better because मुझे लगता है वो डायरेक्टली एक फोर्स की तरह आता होगा शायद. आई एम नॉट यूज इट, बट वो उसका स्ट्रक्चर वैसा है कि इट मेक्स यू फील कि वो वैसा आता होगा. बट फॉर दिस इज लाइक ओनली दीज होल्स दैट दे हैव एंड फ्रॉम हियर इट वुड जस्ट कम लाइक स्ट्रेट. So that is how it is. And इसमें विक्स भी नहीं डाल सकते, that is an other thing. Okay, but other than that, for rupees 320, 325 या ऐसी कुछ था, I'll just find out in what price I got it and I'll surely put it in somewhere here in the description box. It is really good. मुझे पहले लगा कि शायद से प्लास्टिक है, तो I don't know whether it would observe so much of heat, but this is freaking nice. I have used it, not much, but I have used it thrice. It has worked really good. So you can take this, and it is एकदम हल्का फुल्का. You can actually carry it anywhere, so that's also a thing. You don't need much space for this. And yeah, nothing more. Just make sure कि ये बहुत गर्म हो जाता है, so just be a little cautious when you're using it. Okay, I hope I have explained it really good. If you want to know anything, drop a message, I'll let you know about it. And the brand I was talking about is Wonder Vaporizer. इसका भी अगर मुझे लिंक मिल जाता है, I'll surely put it out. So this is how it is. Okay, so the next thing that I got for me are the lipsticks. I think अगर आप लड़की हो, अगर आप मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हो, तो you know how we actually get crazy when it comes to lipstick. और मेरा बहुत सारे lipsticks expire हो चुके थे because I've never gone out पूरा लॉकडाउन के चक्कर में. So I had to get this thing from Amazon and yeah, so I bought it from Amazon. I'm super excited. I was actually doubting the shades कि ये कैसे होगा, क्योंकि the shade that comes with the picture at times it differs, you know. I think the girls can relate with that. तो मुझे literally वैसे लगा, but it actually suited my skin completely good. So if you want, I'll go with the current lipstick that I'm having onto my lips right now. It's super cool. When I thought it's little brown, but ये थोड़ा रानी पिंक या थोड़ा वैसा है, like can you just see that? Okay, so this was from the brand called Inside. This was my first ever brand that I got it from. Inside. This is quite affordable. It is within rupees 100. I was doubting, but I just did a kind of a few research जहाँ पे काफ़ी लोगों ने इसके बारे में बताया था, and I just wanted to try it out. And this is how it is. Like, this is completely, oh my god, the same shade that I'm putting onto my lips right now. If you want to know. It's super cool, super matte, and it stays on my lips like longer. Even if I eat, drink anything, it's still there. Like, it's still there. So this is the first lipstick that I bought it for me. The second two are from my favorite brand, Maybelline. I am in love with this particular brand. Oh, sorry, one brand. One is the older one that I bought. One is from Maybelline, super creamy matte lipstick that I bought it for me. This is how this packaging is. मैंने थोड़ा सा इसको फाड़ दिया है गलती से. So this is how it is. This is from the 634 Bold Crimson. This is what this brand suggests. The number, I hope it is captured. Okay, and this is for the shade red, because I think you need to carry one red, like damn red. Like, I love red lipsticks, and I feel a girl need to carry one red lipstick. Can you just see, it gives you a certain all glow that you need. I have put the same lipstick on my cousin's engagement party. I'll drop a link if you have not checked out. That video has crossed 500, so I'll try to put that if in case you want to watch and you want to see my costumes, you want to see my makeup, you can just go and check that out. This is the same lipstick that I have, and I want, like, बहुत जन को नहीं अच्छा लगता है red, फटांग color लगता है, but I super duper love it. I freaking love it. And this is from the brand Maybelline, and it smells really good, like a rose. So this was my second lipstick that I bought it for me from the brand Maybelline. The third brand that I got it is like light pink. This is just like a nude color, and this is from the brand called Wet n Wild. Okay, this is from the brand Wet n Wild. I'm just seeing the number if I could find. I don't know, but this is the shade pink, which I bought it for me because मेरे को एक light nude shade भी चाहिए था, and especially I bought this for my mom because she puts all light color. So this is the shade that I bought it. It's completely pink, pulp pink kind of a thing, like watermelon, and this is how it is. It gives really a kind of a mild shade, just like a lip color. This is so freaking good. This also stays for a longer, at least on us. I also use this as an eyeshadow at times if I feel to get the natural pinky color. So this is the third thing that I got it from Wet n Wild brand lipstick. So total I got Maybelline, Wet n Wild, and Inside 3 lipsticks for me, and I'm super go for it. 2 are the dark shades. Like, one I always wanted a kind of a dark shade, and I just feel that the girl need to have a dark shade, a red lipstick, and a nude shade, whichever you like it, whichever is your favorite. So मैंने एक dark shade लिया था, one a pop-up red lipstick, and the one from the Wet n Wild, just to give me a kind of a nude lip shade. So I love them. So yeah, so this was under I think 300 or 400 under. So ये थे मेरे lipsticks के collections. Now the last thing that I got for me is a blouse, because ये भी मैंने actually I planned up to get it for my cousin's engagement, but फिर मैंने इसे पहना ही नहीं था, मैंने कुछ और पहना था. और अगर आपको देखना है कि मैंने क्या पहना था, तो आपको वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में वो लिंक दिया गया, वहाँ पे चेक करके आप देख सकते हो. So it's just like a get ready with me, and plus it's a video where I have taken you people along to my cousin's engagement. So if you gotta watch it, you gotta watch it. Okay, so talking about the last product जो मैंने अपने लिए लाया था is this blouse, this red hot blouse, but I didn't like it at all. The only thing that I'm kept it with me, ये भी किसी जहाँ से भी मैंने लिया था, I'll put the link and the name. If you're getting it to you, make sure you think twice, because I made a mistake. The only thing कि मैंने इसे return नहीं किया था is because I loved the back. It's freaking deep. This is how it is, and I don't have anything that has this deep back. तो मैंने इसीलिए रखा है. But my size of the blouse is 36. When I get it anytime ready-made, I need to go on to the size 36. But this one they have told me कि ये 36 ही, और मैंने 36 ही परचेज़ किया था. But ये बिल्कुल भी 36 नहीं है. This is what they have mentioned 36, but ये बिल्कुल भी 36 नहीं है. This is 38 का साइज़ होगा. Now what is the problem with this particular blouse is that this is completely, क्योंकि मैंने इसका रिसर्च भी किया था, मैंने इसके रिव्यूज़ भी देखे थे, तो काफ़ी अच्छे रिव्यूज़ भी थे, तो आई थॉट इट वुड बी क्वाइट गुड, बट आई डोंट नो why did this thing happen to me. अब इसका जो ये स्टिच है ना, इट इज़ जस्ट अ सिंगल स्टिच, सो इफ somebody pulls like that or somebody is just telling or grabbing you like hi you know, I'm just scared that this would just come out, because मैं जब पहन रही थी तभी ये इतना निकल गया. Can you just see that? तो मेरे को तभी मैं डर गई कि मैं इसको पहनूंगी कैसे. And the second thing is that it's only single stitch, so you have to make sure that you stitch this, give it for an alteration and stitch it a little tighter. If you are like me, if your body structure is just like me and if you prefer getting 36, this is really loose. This is almost, I think, a 38 size wala. And the pad, if you can, I'll just show it to you. Okay, now these blouses, they come in with the attached pads. Okay, now this is like, I don't know what kind of pad have they put onto this. This is super duper big, like itna bada hai. Like, you can just see that it's super duper big, and I don't know why is it like that. Like, I didn't like it, the quality of the pad. The material is fine with the cost, but I don't know, with the review it was completely different. But yeah, the only thing that I've kept it is because of the color. Material is okay, fine, you can just go it, but गर्मी में बहुत गर्म लगने वाला है ये. The thing is the back. I think in Meesho it is not like that. I think Meesho का थोड़ा अच्छा होगा. So the back is like, you're gonna die for. It's super cool. So that's the only reason I've kept it. So अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो तो थोड़ा सा आपको इसमें काम कराना पड़ेगा. One is that you have to give it for the alteration. Second is you have to figure out if you want to keep this pad or not. And the third thing, yeah, they also have the sleeves. If in case you want sleeves, they have this. So आप इस पर attach कर सकते हो. So you can do that. And yeah, and the buttons are quite normal. So just check with it. So काफ़ी अल्ट्रेशन का काम है इसमें. So this is how it is. अगर इसका भी मुझे फ़ोटो मिल जाता है, पिक्चर मिल जाता है, put it over here for you to get an idea. So pretty much that's it that I purchased from. So pretty much that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, like always, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. You can also follow me on Merge. The link for both would be given in the description box. Also, do let me know if there's anything that you want to watch it from my end. I'll surely do that. Bye for now. Take care. Love you guys.